Today I'm going to create a complete attendance sheet in Microsoft Excel from scratch, step by step, and I want you to follow my voice carefully and perform each action with me. Let's begin. First of all, open Microsoft Excel and select a blank workbook. Now move your cursor to cell B1, click once, and type attendance sheet, then press enter. Now move to row 2. This is where we will create our headings. Click on cell B2, type name, press tab. In cell B3, type Monday, press tab. Drag it to right side. Other days will automatically be written. In cell H2, type present percentage, tab. In cell I2, type absent percentage, and press enter. Select day name and change text direction to vertical upward. Make it bold and center aligned. Make background color light blue. This step is important because headings define the structure of your data. Without proper headings, your table will not make sense. Next, adjust the column widths. Place your cursor between column headers, for example between A and B. Then drag slightly to increase space. Now, take your mouse, select from cell B1 all the way to cell I1, and click on Merge and Center. Now increase the font size, make it bold. Change text color, and if you want, slightly increase the row height. Now select Other Headings, go to Home tab, click Center Alignment, and then click Bold. Now we will enter names. I have already typed. Just copy and paste it. Always remember, data entry comes before automation. Now, select the range from B2 to I20. Right-click on mouse, and then go to Format Cells. Apply border by customizing it. This will create visible lines around your table, making it clean, structured, and easy to read. Now we move to attendance marking. Select cells from C3 to G20, click and drag. Go to Home tab, click Conditional Formatting. Then go to Icon Sets and choose More Rules. But we need to customize them. Now carefully change the settings. Set the type to number. Set the value to 1. This will represent present. Keep next value to 0. This will represent absent. Now, check the option, Show Icon Only. Then click OK. Now let's test the system. Type 1. You will see a tick mark. Type 0. You will see a cross. Testing is very important because it confirms that everything is working correctly. Now we calculate the present percentage. Click on cell H3, and now type the formula slowly. Type equals, count if, open bracket, select C3 to G3, comma, 1, close bracket. Then type divide symbol. Then type 5 total number of days, and press enter. This formula counts how many times 1 appears, which means present. Apply percentage format. Now move to cell I3. Type equals, count if, open bracket, select C3 colon G3, comma, 0, close bracket, divide by 5, press enter. Now select both cells, convert value to percentage. Center align it. Bold the value and increase font size. Place your cursor at the bottom right corner and drag down. This copies the formula automatically for all persons. Now for the final touch, we apply color formatting. Select column H completely, go to Conditional Formatting, click Color Scales, and choose a green gradient. Now select absent column, apply a red color scale. Green indicates higher presence, red indicates higher absence. This gives instant visual understanding. And there you go. You have successfully created a fully automated, visually appealing, and professional attendance sheet. Thanks for watching. Please like and follow.